Hey guys, Mike Montanari, Fast Monty's Garage, rolling into Pontiac Car Show today at Seaport Village in San Diego. So hope everyone loves it. I'm gonna try and film as much as I can today, and we'll go from there.
Yeah, well, Pontiac Row, help yourself. All right, awesome car, dude.
I'm gonna spin tires, I think. Let's see.
What are you doing? Come a little bit more. That's good right there.
Hey guys, what's up? Pontiac Row. Here we go. Sweet. I like that. Woo. Now we're talking. How about a 69 GTO to join the crew? Those of you guys that like Chargers. Wow.
Oh wow, he did get it on, Robert. The air,
Holy
the
hell.
air ram injection.
Holy hell. This is by far the best Pantera I've ever seen in my life.
How do you I like that air cover.
The 68, there's that 68, look at the paint. Woo! Yeah, it looks spectacular.
Thank you.
I just started a YouTube channel
Oh, nice.
for all things fast, but mainly around my car and car shows. Just sweet Impala. Hey guys, you know I like muscle, modern muscle. Look at the stance on this Mustang. Six. It's a nice sexy pair of GTOs, a 68 and a 69. Pretty bitchin'. So if you guys don't know, I'm going to be on a car show on TV, on Mad TV, called Wrench Wars. This is actually my competitor. His name's Rick, great guy. 72 Lemans that he took a GTO hood scoop and built it right into the hood. Love the paint on this car. It is killer. This car is also on Wrench Wars, episode 3, or season 3. I don't know what episode yet, because we're all in the dark. Crazy grill. Did you make that?
A friend of mine named Ken Whitney did that.
Dang. Man, the amount of welding on that is freaking me out.
It is a skill that I can't even comprehend, dude. It's so perfect looking.
Yeah.
Like it just came together on its own.
Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that show. I had a blast. I was running around the show taking video of everyone, and totally neglected my own car. So there was only one shot of my car in there. So anyway, hope you had fun. Subscribe if you liked it. Leave me a comment. I tried an experiment with a different background music, and hey, every genre has a preference, right? So the last thing to tell you about is that I won Best Paint, and I had totally neglected to film that situation of getting the award. I was out of the blue. I didn't expect to get it, so pretty cool, pretty excited about it. Thing to note, a few years ago at the same show, I met a guy named Derek who's with Cruising California Auto Detail, and he noticed a whole bunch of holograms in my clear coat, and he gave me some pointers on how to fix it. And so I actually owe it to him, because I took his criticism to heart and I fixed the paint problem, hence the award. So thanks, Derek. And I put a link to his channel. He has some great tips and tricks, and if you're in Southern California or San Diego area, he'll come out and detail your car, I'm sure, for a charge, but he does good work. So anyway, thanks again for being here, and I hope you enjoyed the show. And until next time, build them fast and drive them faster.